Today I'll draw a tiny energetic star from a Wish movie. Now let's have some fun and practice drawing. I'll start by drawing two composition lines, one vertical and another horizontal, through the center of the paper. This star has a circle shape, so first let's draw a big circle in the center of the composition cross. Try to give the same space from the left and the right sides of the paper, and the same space from the top and the bottom sides of the paper, like this. Great! Now let's draw the face of the star. It has a heart shape. To draw this heart, let's divide up part of the cross inside the circle into two parts and the bottom part of the circle into two parts as well. And then let's draw a curved line on the left side, like this. And the same, but with opposite direction, on the right side, like this. Try to make this heart fatty and cute. Awesome! Now, let's make this circle look more like a star. To do this, I'll add one triangle on the top, like a cap, and two triangles on the sides, right on our composition cross lines. Then, let's draw the same size triangle legs for a star, one close to the center on the bottom and one on the bottom part but between it and the left star hand, to make our star look like dancing. Cool! It already looks like a star. That's awesome! Now let's draw the face. First, let's draw one oval on the right side. It will be an eye. And on the left side, on the same height, let's draw a curve. It will be a twinkle eye. Now let's add a joy smile. Let's draw a curved line under the eyes. It's so funny and cute. Now let's add some details. Let's draw small crosses on the left, on the right, on the bottom and here, and small dots right here. Our star looks so stylish now. Wonderful! The contour is ready. Now, let's outline it with a marker. I'll start from the top and go to the bottom, so I do not smear the marker lines. It's totally fine if marker lines are not always the same as the pencil lines. Just go slow, and if you need to, you can pause the video and take your time to make your drawing look awesome. Let's allow the marker lines to dry for several seconds. Okay, now I think that we can erase all the pencil lines that we don't need anymore. It's coloring time! Hooray! Our star is shining, so let's outline its body with light yellow all around the contour. Then I will color with the same yellow the heart face of the star. I will color with dark yellow the rest of its body and the open eye. To make our star look like it's in the sky, I will color a bit of blue around it. Don't push too much on the blue color. Make it soft. Wow, I've got such a beautiful drawing, and I'm pretty sure that yours is even better. If you like this video, click the like button. I have more tutorials that you would like, so don't forget to subscribe and watch other videos on the channel to learn how to draw.